Well, excitement is building in Prague ahead of tonight's World Cup playoff semi-final against Czechia. We're joined now from Prague by former Ireland captain Kenny Cunningham, who himself has been in this nail-biting situation many times before. Thanks for joining us, Kenny. Belief in this team has really exploded over the last 3 games. Can we be confident tonight?
Oh, certainly hopeful, Eileen, bordering on confidence. I think if you just think of that last 10-15 minutes in the Hungary game, which we all have done many a time since that game, that does give you confidence in terms of our centre forward in particular, probably the in-form striker in Europe at the moment, and probably one of the best goalkeepers in Europe as well at the other end of the pitch. And certainly those 2 players starting this evening in Prague will give the team and the country a huge amount of confidence.
What's going on in their minds at the moment in the lead up to this crucial game tonight?
Hopefully not panic. I think there'll be a bit of tension there and a bit of nervousness, Eileen. A lot of excitement as well. These players know what's at stake, but this is where they want to be. It's an opportunity to qualify for a major tournament, the World Cup in North America. That's absolutely huge. So a huge amount of excitement, but I think you have to temper that as well. Don't let the nervousness overtake you as well. That's where experience plays a part, Eileen. More experienced players, I'm sure, will be dispensing advice to the others in the dressing room prior to kick-off. But it's exactly where we want to be going into the game this evening. Not where a lot of us thought we would be maybe 6 months ago. So it's a great opportunity for the players. We just have to grasp it now.
And can I ask you to call it, Kenny?
Don't ask me to call it, Eileen.
Do you not think maybe, a 0-0 draw and then it'll go to penalties and just really make us bite our nails?
Oh, do we really want the penalties, Eileen? Do we really want the penalties? I don't think I can stand it, to be honest with you. We want to get this done in normal time. Let's attack the game. Let's believe how good we can be. And when this game finishes tonight, Eileen, let's know that even win, lose or draw, we've given absolutely everything. I'll accept that win, lose or draw. And I think we will get that type of performance tonight from the Irish team, and hopefully it'll be good enough.
Well, hopefully so. Kenny Cunningham, thank you so much for joining us on the 1 o'clock news today.